Premier Water and Sewer, we're at 1198 Karon. The clearest video I can get. If you look out there, you can see the clay stub coming off the main there, located in the neighbor's driveway. Can't get to it because there's a giant hole right here. We're pulling back. There's a lot of holes in this Orangeburg through here. There's a rather large hole there. There's our jetter. Come back to a hole there. Use the front flusher to suck all the water out so we can see, because this thing fills up with water. See the channel it's sitting in here. See, there's a piece of ductile iron in here. I believe that's going over the storm main. Lose locator signal through there. And there's a piece of PVC now. And I'm pulling back into our Orangeburg. There's a turn. The cast iron goes back to Orangeburg. It's ovaled. See the bottom peeling up on it. There we are back into our PVC repair. At the bottom of our clean out. I'll conclude the video.